Hi everybody, thank you for joining me today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That's going to be the red R. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to replace the ink filters. This is get replaced when you see a message that says ink filters end of life or reaching end of life. Very simple. The process is the same. Going to be for the 1000, 1000X, 2000 and 4000. The newer machines like the 1000X, 4000 and 2000 have a little metal cover right here. But once you remove that cover, you'll see the assembly. Now what you want to do is get some gloves because you don't want to get dirty, paper towel, and we're going to place it down here. We're going to just twist these little knobs right here with these little screws. You can see that it just comes right off. So if I turn to the left, locks it, and reverse, removes it. Same thing with the bottom one. Oop, just going to pull that out of there. You turn that, comes right off. Now you don't want to pull it like I did. You actually want to go ahead and twist that, okay? I actually did that so you guys can see. So right here, just twist that right there, and this comes off. All right, I'm going to pull this out again and show you guys a little closer. So this will be the bottom. Just going to twist that, and boom, comes right off. Put it back in the new one in there, twist, you lock it into place. Same thing with this one, put it in there, twist, lock it into place. Once you feel resistance, that's it. You don't want to over tighten it. You don't want to strip this. And once you got those replaced, on the bottom of this, on the display here, you go see an icon that has a little white and black square. You want to select that icon. It's going to bring up your parts menu or your parts that need to get replaced or reaching end of lifetime. You're going to select your ink filters and you're going to place or press replace. Once it's replaced, it's going to reset that count, guys. Thank you for joining us. Please again don't forget to subscribe to our channel. That's going to be the red R towards the right. And I'm going to go ahead and leave the information for these filters. I'm also going to leave the information for the tech team so you guys can reach out to them. Thank you guys for joining me and have a good day.